Oh, look at this. Yummy, yummy beef stew, noodle soup. Yummy.
Kala ko congee.
No, no, yours is congee. This is mine. Ha, ha. This is mine. No, you, no, you can taste it though. You can taste, you can have some. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. This is I ordered for me. I ordered you congee because but then now you can probably have this now. You can have it if you like.
Kasi tanong ko sa'yo, ayan na, ayan na.
Oh.
Kasi tanong ko sa'yo kanina.
Okay, look at that. Got beef and noodles and bok choy with onions and tomatoes. Noodles and noodles and oodles of noodles. Yummy. Yummy. Nahirap yan. Dito na ako kakain.
Diyan ko nagkain.
Ang hirap yan. Ang liit-liit.
Dudukot na lang.
Ang liit-liit ng aking bowl. Ang liit-liit ng aking bowl.
Wala kami ilagay doon sa bowl na yan.
Wala akong malalagay kundi isang bok choy. Isang bok choy. Mine. Oh, mine.
Enjoy siya.
Yes, yes. I am. Look it, look it. Thank you.
Buti na lang mag-change oil ako kanina. Nakita ko yung baterya. Otherwise nagtataka na ako kung ano yung kumakalog-kalog na
You know what? Baka yun nadali na doon sa Pechanga nung yung inano yung ano mo, ilaw, ano nilagawan?
yung side mirror at saka yung yung windshield wiper.
Baka natira na yun dahil. Yummy.
Hindi ko hindi kumakalog-kalog yung merong ingay eh. Buti na lang, binuksan ko yung hood. Dahan-dahan lang ba?
Kabaingay.
Masilok.